There we go. I don't know what that's all about. Live streams being way too slow the last couple of days. So slow. Takes almost 5 minutes to load the stinking video. But we're back. Again, I apologize for that. I don't know what live stream's deal is. Here we go. Crown Royale 110. Good luck, everyone. Can't wait to see what this crown looks like. Got an Austin, Mason, and Bradford. King's Court. No numbers. First hit is a Greg Robinson rookie auto. For the Rams, that is Stephanie, EDG. It's numbered 27 of 99. Filler. Gore, Kaepernick, and Bolden. King's Court. No numbers. Fedorovich. And Sherman. Bell. There's a good one. Teddy Bridgewater. 10 of 15. That's a monster there. For the Vikings. FB Umpire. Nice hit. 10 of 15 Bridgewater.
What if you beat the guys that are ranked higher? Undefeated, but a weak schedule. Or you didn't win your conference, but beat the guys who did. Or had a big loss late in the season.
First one touch of the night. Nice Bridgewater. 10 of 15. Good way to start it off. Gordon, Manziel, and West. King's Court. Hearns. And Gerhardt.
short.
I know, me too. That's a nice one. Got Jones. Interesting patch. Paul Poslunzi. All pro material. Some neon green, some silver in there. For the Jaguars. It's numbered at 23 of 99. That is S Edge. Got a Brady and Garoppolo. Knights and Squires. Saunders. Numbered 1 of 199. And Jeffrey. Last pack. I think I could open this stuff all night. These are nice cards. Got a McCoy, gold. Number 82 of 99. For the Eagles, it is D. Hoffman. Next hit is a Dante Moncrief, rookie royalty. 2-color jersey piece. For the Colts, it is numbered 35 of 99. Colts is Nicholas, H-A-M. Nice hit. Got an Aaron Rodgers, Master Craftsman. No numbers. Robinson. And Geno Smith. That will do it for box 110 from eBay. Crown Royals are nice. Started it off with a Bridgewater. Not bad. Nice way to start it. Got Val.